Pure water isn't just a requirement, it's a responsibility. Introducing Hi-Cura commercial RO membranes. Designed for best quality, long life and consistent performance, day after day. Residential, commercial and industrial. A trusted solution for every RO system. Recommended by RO technicians and dealers for reliable performance. Every membrane passes through an advanced quality control system to ensure durability and dependable performance. Manufactured by a company with over 25 years of experience, powered by advanced automatic machines and precision engineering. Perfectly suited for demanding commercial RO applications where long life truly matters. Hi-Cura RO membranes. Pure water, proven performance.
Hi-Cura. Trust in every drop. Powered by high-tech.